So in this session, we are going to discuss about Azure Storage. Here, using Azure Storage, we can store massive amount of data, and also storage capacity is limitless virtually. It is pay as you go model. As you go model means whatever you are using the service, only for that one only you are paying. It gives the flexibility of paying only for what you have used. And also Azure Storage Service support different clients like .NET, Ruby, Java, Python, etc. Means which gives developers an option. And also Azure Storage features it is providing the features. There are many features are providing. One is it is providing one of the feature is durability and high availability. High availability means stored data is replicated and kept in different geographical locations. Means copied data. Replication is nothing but copied data which is available in different locations. Whenever in case any hardware failures, you can have replicate and save your data. So one of the feature is a durability feature it is providing. And also the another feature it is providing scalability is providing. That is the storage is massively scalable, depends on the requirements. Data is automatically scale up to accommodate any peak demands. It is providing the scale up feature. And also it is providing the feature security is providing. That is how it is providing the securities shared access signature. With that, it is providing the security. It is providing one more feature is accessibility is providing. That is you can access your data from anywhere by using HTTP protocol, or it may use HTTPS protocol. We can access your data from anywhere using HTTP or HTTPS. Sir, what are the Azure storage types it is providing? That is Azure storage types. It is providing the Azure storage type is one is Azure Blob Storage. It's also container. It's nothing but the container. It is optimized to store huge unstructured data. Unstructured data. The storage is in terms of binary large objects. And the second type of storage type is Azure Table Storage. Here, it is now become a part of Azure Cosmo DBs. Cosmo DB. The Azure table stores structured NoSQL data. Structured NoSQL data. Right? And also another type of storage it is providing Azure File Storage. Here it is fully managed file sharing service in the cloud or on-premise by using server message block protocol. Server message block protocol. With that, it is providing fully managed file servicing in the cloud or on-premise by using the protocol server message protocol. And also another type of storage it is providing, Azure Queue Storage. And one more type is Azure Storage. It is providing data disk storage. Those are different types of Azure storages are provided. The data disk storage is nothing but it's a virtual hard disk. Virtual hard disk is provided. And also in this session, we are going to discuss uh, what are Azure Storage account types is providing. Azure Storage account types are account types which is providing. It is providing the Azure account types are. One is standard general purpose V2. General purpose V2. That is with that it is supporting the services. Blob Storage. It is supporting the service. Queue service. Queue storage service it is supporting. And also it is supporting the storage. Table storage. Azure files. With this storage account, standard general purpose V2, it is supporting the storage services, blob storage, queue storage, table storage, Azure file storage. And another account type, storage account type it is providing, premium block blobs. Block blobs. Here it is providing blob storage only. And also the another storage account type is premium file sheets. Here using this type, we can store only Azure files only. And another account type is premium page blocks. Page blobs. Here with this storage account type, it is supporting the service page blobs. So those are Azure storage account types it is providing. Now in this session, we are going to discuss how Azure storage account we have to create. For that, I open my Azure account, I sign in. Enter my password. Here in Azure portal, at the search box, you have to type it storage account. See that? You can click on this one. Here, we have to click on create option is there. Click on create option. Here, subscription is pay as you go. Resource group, that's we have to select it. I have no resource group right now. Click on create new. I'm creating the resource group name is US 102. Click on OK. Scroll down. Here, storage account name, we have to give it. That is to give the storage account name, globally it is in a queue. Here, for your storage account names must be between 3 and 24 characters in length and may contain numbers and lowercase letters only. Suppose if I am given the storage account name is my name I am given. See that what it is showing? The storage account name Sheshadri is already taken. So we have to give the storage account name globally unique name we have to give it. With that name, storage account is already exist in Azure Storage. That's why it is showing the message is storage account name is already taken. We have to give another name. Combination of the numbers also we have to give it. Sheshadri 123 I am given. Storage account name. Now see that it is accepting. Region I am selecting Central India. If you want to change the region also, we can change it. Now here I am chosen Central India I am chosen. The performance you can choose standard or premium. If you have chosen the standard, recommended for most scenarios. Here, the account type is general purpose V2 account. That's why you see that in the theory concept, I explained that the storage account types, standard general purpose V2. It is supporting the service, Blob Storage, queue storage, table storage, and also Azure files. That's why I am recommended for standard one only. If we are chosen premium, recommended for scenarios that require low latencies. If you are given this one, you can choose the premium account type. Block blobs, file sheets, page blocks. As per your requirement, you have to choose the premium account type we have to choose it. That's why I am chosen standard I am chosen. Scroll down. At the bottom, advanced option we have to click on that. Here, allow enabling anonymous access on individual containers. We'll put the tick mark. Scroll down. Click on networking option at the bottom. I'm not given anyone. Click on data protection. Default whatever as there, that's I am selecting. Encryption, default I am chosen. Click on tax option. Click on review. That is, it is validating. Click on create option. Submitting and deployment in progress. Wait for few minutes. Deployment in progress. At the top notification, it is showing. See that. Yeah. We observe at the notification that is deployment is succeed. Means the storage account is created. That is, we have to see that storage account. We have to refresh the browser. See that Sheshadri 123. The storage account is created. See that. It is created. Now, what is the blob storage? The theory I have to explain. Blob storage, it contains the container. We have to store unstructured data. You may store images, audio files, video files. That is, we can store it unstructured data. It's a massive amount of data. Blob storage is optimized for storing massive amount of unstructured data, right? That is, you may upload any type of data, right? And also blob storage features here. We have to store unstructured data. It is providing scalability feature, and also it provides the secure, and it is used for cloud applications, and also blob storage is cost effectiveness also, right? So with this blob account, suppose I am creating the account name is production I am taken. Account name is production. Here I am choosing the containers under the production. I'm choosing the container Containers I am given as one is pictures I am given containers, and second one is videos. Whatever under the picture folder, we had to store it pictures. Under videos folder, you may store videos. Video 1, video 2, video 3, like that we can store it. You may store video 1. You may store video 2. We can store it. So first account name. After that, we had to create the container, blob container. Under the blob container, we can create the folders. Under that, we had to upload the objects. Now, what are the blob storage methods to upload and downloading the objects? Methods to upload and download objects. The methods are, there are three ways are there. One is by using Azure portal, we can upload and download the objects. That's nothing but using console. It is nothing but your Azure portal, graphical user interface portal. That is to upload and download the objects. One of the method is Azure portal. Second one is Azure Storage Explorer. That is the best option. That is if you want to upload the massive amount of data to the storage, this is the best option, Azure Storage Explorer. And the third one is using PowerShell or using command line interface. Those are the methods to upload and download the objects. Azure portal, Azure Storage Explorer is the best method, and another one is using PowerShell or command line interface. Now, we'll see that how we had to create the container. Till now, I'm creating Azure Storage account I am creating. This is, click on the storage account. Sheshadri123 storage account name is created. Click on that. Here at the left side, storage, data storage, see that, containers, file sheets, queue, tables are there. Now I am creating the containers. Click on container. Default it is logs are providing. Now under container, I am creating the folder. That is, I am given the name is Sheshadri container I am given. Only lowercase letters we have to give it. Right? See that anonymous access level I am given as blob. Anonymous read access for blob only. Click on create option. That is, Sheshadri container is created. You can click on this one. Here, upload option is there. Click on this option. We had to browse for files. I want to upload the images. Click on this one. Here in my downloads, nature object is there, image is there. Click on open, click on upload. Okay, upload is successful. Add the notification, successfully uploaded blob. Now you can click on this object. It is showing the details. It is showing the overview of this object. URL it is providing, and type, size, access style, those details are providing. And here, if you click on the version, it is providing the details. Snapshots, edit option is there, right? And generate SCAs option is there. Now, here I am given in overview, I copy the URL of this object and paste it in the browser. See that? You are getting the result, right? Now, if you see the container, I change the access level. I can give the private access. Click on OK. Now, you have to open the object. You copy the object URL and paste it in the browser. Now see that you are getting an error message. For that, you need to change the access permissions. How we have to give the access permission? How we have to change the access permission is click on the container. Here at the top, change access level is there. Click on that. Here, you need to choose blob, anonymous read access for blobs only. Click on OK. Now you have to copy and paste the object URL. This is just we have to refresh the browser, then you are getting the result. Similarly, if you want to upload one more object, click on upload option, browse for file. Here I am uploading coffee image. Click on open, click on upload. Now you have to open this object coffee one. You have to copy the object URL, paste it in the browser. You are getting the result. Like that, we have to upload the objects to the container. Now, how we have to delete? Click on the container. If you want to delete the object, select the object, click on delete option is there. Here, you'll put the tick mark, also delete blob snapshot. Put the tick mark. Click on OK. The object is deleted. So without deleting the object, if you want to try to delete the container, see that. Click on delete option. Click on confirm. It is also deleted. So how we have to create the container? So at the storage account, and the left side, containers is there. Here, click on container. You have to give the container name. Name we have to give it at the lowercase. You may give my name, CSC and this is the container name. Click on create. If you want to upload the objects in this container, click on the container. Upload option is there. Click on that. If you want to upload the files, browse for file. I want to upload the object nature 2. Click on OK. Click on put the tick. Click on upload. The object is uploaded. If you copy the object URL and paste it in the browser, see that you are not getting. Means you can change the access permissions. How we can change the access permission? Container access permission is at the top, change access levels are there. Click on that. Here you need to choose blob anonymous read access for blob only. Click on OK. Now you have to refresh the browser, your object URL, you are getting the result. Right? Those are the steps we have to change, how to change access level. Right? Now, this is the container, how we have to upload the objects, how we have to delete the objects. Now, the container, under the container objects I am uploading. Without deleting the container objects, if you want to delete the account, we can click on, we have to type the delete option. Click on delete. delete. Execute a delete command on one selected item. Succeed 1. Now see that. Go to the storage account. The storage account is deleted. Those are the steps we have to follow. How we have to create the storage account? So at the search box, you have to type the storage account. Here, create option is there. Here we have to select the resource group. Already the resource group is there, US102. Under this resource group, you have to give the storage account name. I am given the storage account name is with my name 9441 I am given. Reason is Central India. So performance standard I am chosen. Click on advanced option. Here you will put the tick mark. Direct we can click on review. And then click on create. Yeah, see that at the top notification deployment is succeed. Now in storage account, storage name Sheshadri 9441 it is created. Click on that. If you want to create the container data storage at the left side, container option is there. Click on that. Click on container. You have to give the container name is Sheshadri container. Here, click on create. Successfully created storage container. Fine. Fine. Click on container. If you want to create the folder, while uploading the object, we can create the folder. How we have to create the folder in container? While uploading the objects, we can create the folder. So our object can upload in particular folder. Click on upload option. Here, under the container, if you want to create the folder, first browse the file. That is nature 1. Click on open. Here, advanced option is there. See that? Advanced option is there. Here we have to select blob type as blob. We have to select it. This is blob. We have to select it. Scroll down. Next in upcoming session, we have to explain those one. So present blob type is blob. We have to select it. Click on upload. Sorry. We had to upload. How we can create the folder? Upload option. Browse the file. Here, I want to copy image. Open. Here, under advanced option, blob type is blob. We have to select it. Here, we can give the folder name here. Upload to folder. That is, I am given the folder name is coffee I am uploading. Okay, scroll down. Click on upload. Means under the coffee folder, the object 1 is uploaded. This is uploading. See that. If you want to upload one more object here in this container in coffee folder, we have to upload browse file coffee to open. Here in advanced, we have to select, not only select, automatically it is there in the coffee folder. Click on upload. See that under container coffee folder, these two objects are uploaded. If you want to upload one more object in this folder, go to upload. browse file, nature to, open. No need to set the advanced option. Only first time you can give it. Click on upload, right? Those are the steps we have to follow, how we have to create the folder in container, right? So in this session, we are discussed how we had to create the storage account, how we had to create the container, how we had to upload the objects, how we had to delete the objects, how we had to delete the storage account, and also under the container, how we had to create the folder. Those are the steps we had to discuss. Those are the points we had to discuss. Okay, thank you.